This is Roy, and she's got a joke or two to tell. Here you go, Roy.
Hello, ladies and germs. Hi, my name's Rowan, and I just flew from Texas. Boy, are my arms tired. Where's the cow's favorite place to go? The museum. Where's the cow's favorite place to see paintings? The museum. Where's the horse's favorite place to get clothes? Old Navy.